Welcome to Art Journaling through 2nd John. I'm so excited to spend this time with you as we layer through the Word together. So let's get started. Here are the supplies we'll be using today. We'll need a sheet of mixed media paper, black marker, watercolor paint, white oil pastel, gold pen. Gather your supplies and let's create together. Today we'll be creating a neurographic art piece. Begin by drawing a large heart that fills almost the entire page. Next, we'll draw flowing, wavy lines across the heart in one direction, then add another set of wavy lines crossing the first. Now we're going to round all of the intersections. Whatever two lines cross and form an X, soften those sharp corners into a smooth U-shaped curves. This is the meditative heart of neurographic art, so allow yourself to relax and enjoy the process. The only exception is the points of the heart. Leave those nice and crisp. Once you've rounded all the intersections, trace over the outline of the heart to make it bold. Then paint each of the sections with watercolor. I'm using muddy, darker colors outside of the heart and bright, vibrant colors inside the heart to create a strong visual contrast. Allow everything to dry completely. As I reflect on our study in 2nd John, I'm filling the spaces inside the heart with words and phrases that remind me of the truth Christ has taught us. Grace, mercy, peace, walk in truth, walk in love, love one another, obey his commandments. Christ came in the flesh, teaching of Christ. I'm also adding a few small hearts throughout the design. Around the outside of the heart, I'm writing words that represent the false influences John warns us about: deceiver, lies, false teaching, evil deeds, rebellion, corrupt, disobey. I'm stretching each word to fill the entire shape of the space, allowing the lettering to follow the contours created by the neurographic lines. Using a white oil pastel, cover over the area outside of the heart. You're then going to take a piece of tissue or paper towel and gently rub so that the white markings smear and spread evenly over this area. This is going to make that area disappear more into the background. Finish by tracing all of the black lines of the heart and the neurographic design with a gold pen to give it a beautiful kintsugi inspired look. If you're not familiar with kintsugi, it's a Japanese art form that repairs broken pottery with gold, celebrating restoration by making the repaired pieces part of the beauty instead of hiding them. Finally, add today's date and 2nd John, and your journal page is complete. Congratulations, you created something beautiful today. More importantly, you slowed down, spent time with God, reflected on His Word, and created alongside the Creator. My prayer is that every time you look at this page, you'll remember John's encouragement to walk in truth, love one another, and remain faithful to the teaching of Christ. May this heart remind you to carefully guard what shapes your mind and heart, choosing voices that lead you closer to Jesus and His truth. Join me Monday as we continue our journey through the 10 shortest books of the Bible with our next study in Philemon. Until then, may you continue to walk in truth, remain rooted in Christ, and let His love guide every step you take.